Welcome to Homework Lib.
To calculate the confidence interval for the population proportion, we can use the formula. The confidence interval is equal to the sample proportion plus or minus the critical value, which in this case, we can use a critical z because it's a large sample size, times the standard error. So the sample proportion is calculated as the number of adults who believe in UFOs divided by the total number of adults surveyed. So p hat is going to be equal to the 710 divided by 2272. I'm going to go to 4 decimal places for this value. 0.3125, actually exactly. The standard error can be calculated using the formula. The standard error is equal to the square root of the sample proportion times 1 minus the sample proportion over the sample size. So that's going to be the square root of 0.3125 times 1 minus 0.3125 over the sample size 2272. Okay, so we calculate this here. And that's 0.0097. The critical value for a 95% confidence level can be obtained from the standard normal distribution, or a z-table. And for a 95% confidence level, our critical z is 1.96. So our confidence interval is going to be our sample proportion plus or minus our critical z times our standard error. Our lower boundary will be found to 3 places. Okay? And the lower is done by subtracting 0.3125 minus 1.96 times 0.0097, and that's 0.293. And our upper boundary is found by adding, and that's 0.332 to 3 places. The interpretation of the results would be with 95% confidence. It could be said that the population proportion of adults who believe in UFOs is between 0.293 and 0.332. This means that we estimate with 95% confidence the true proportion of adults who believe in UFO lies within this interval, which would be choice D.